This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. High-profit wood-turned crafts carry a special kind of magic, that satisfying moment when a spinning block of wood slowly transforms into a smooth, elegant form right beneath your fingertips. There's something deeply calming and strangely addictive about the rhythm of a lathe. It invites you to step into a world where creativity meets precision, where every spinning second has the potential to become a beautifully crafted piece that customers can't resist buying. Wood turning has always been a craft that feels both ancient and modern at the same time, and today, more than ever, it's becoming one of the fastest growing categories in the handmade world. Buyers love turned wood because it's clean, stylish, durable, and full of personality, and sellers love it because small items turn into reliable, consistent income. In this narration, you'll dive into the universe of wood-turned projects that not only look impressive but also offer truly attractive profit margins. Whether you're working with simple scrap pieces or premium hardwood blanks, the lathe opens doors to a whole range of products that sell quickly, locally, and online. From functional houseware to decorative accents to personalized gifts, each piece tells its own story, and each one has the potential to become a steady part of your income stream. This introduction sets the tone for a journey into smart crafting, strategic design, and profitable ideas. Now let's move deeper into the heart of the craft where imagination, skill, and opportunity meet. The beauty of wood turning lies in its ability to elevate even the simplest scrap piece into a high-value creation. A small block of wood that might otherwise be tossed aside becomes something smooth, symmetrical, and purposeful the moment you place it on the lathe. That transformation is what customers pay for: the skill, the care, and the unique handmade quality that machines can't replicate. With the growing interest in sustainable products, minimalism, and natural materials, turned wood items are more in demand than ever. People aren't just buying items, they're buying texture, warmth, and timeless character. And that creates a perfect opportunity for crafters looking to build a profitable small business. One of the best entry points into profitable turning is crafting small, functional household items, pieces that look great, feel great, and serve a purpose. Wooden bowls, for example, remain a bestseller year after year. They have universal appeal, and the variations are endless: shallow serving bowls, deep salad bowls, snack dishes, decorative bowls for coffee tables, or even tiny ring bowls. The more character the wood has, markings, grain variation, knots, the more customers fall in love with it. Bowls have a remarkably high perceived value, and customers are often willing to pay premium prices for handcrafted pieces. You can start with simple, clean shapes and slowly move into more detailed designs as your confidence and skill grow. What makes bowls particularly profitable is that they don't require large amounts of wood. You can make them from leftover pieces, offcuts, or whatever wood you have lying around, turning scraps into a steady stream of income. Another fantastic product category is wood-turned kitchen tools. People adore handmade utensils because they add authenticity and a personal touch to cooking. Items like rolling pins, honey dippers, pastry tampers, scoops, and pestles sell extremely well. A beautifully turned rolling pin made from hardwood can become a flagship product in your shop. It's both functional and photogenic, perfect for social media marketing, which helps increase visibility and sales. Honey dippers, on the other hand, are small, simple, and incredibly cost-effective to produce. They take very little material and can be made in batches, yet they remain irresistible to buyers who appreciate a handcrafted kitchen accessory. Even better, when you pair small turned tools with packaging, a ribbon or a craft paper tag, they instantly elevate the value and presentation, making them perfect for markets and gift-selling seasons. If you're leaning more toward decor, wood-turned home accents can become powerful profit generators.
Candle holders are an excellent starting point. They're elegant, versatile, and can be customized in endless ways.
Tall and slender candle holders fit modern minimalist interiors, while thicker rustic designs appeal to farmhouse-style enthusiasts. Sets of 2 or 3 candle holders are especially profitable because buyers love coordinating decor items that create visual harmony. They also make fantastic holiday products, which means high seasonal demand and strong sales around the end-of-year months.
Vases are another wonderful decor piece for turners.
Even small bud vases attract buyers, and when paired with dried flowers or minimalist arrangements, they become stylish centerpieces. The key is to keep the shape smooth and inviting, letting the natural grain do most of the visual work.
But the world of wood turning doesn't stop at household items and decor.
Personalized gifts have become one of the strongest sellers in the handmade economy, and the lathe provides countless opportunities to offer customization. Pens are a perfect example.
Handmade wooden pens are admired for their craftsmanship and elegance.
They make fantastic corporate gifts, graduation presents, or simply keepsakes people enjoy owning. Pen turning kits are widely available and affordable, allowing you to pair unique wood blanks with beautiful metal components. Even beginners can quickly master pen turning, and once you get into the rhythm, you can produce several in a single session. When you add custom engraving or name initials, you unlock a high-value product that customers love purchasing for gift-giving occasions. If you want to explore smaller items that are quick to produce and highly profitable, wood-turned accessories are the way to go. Items like keychains, bag charms, spinning tops, miniature vases, or small decorative orbs are very popular. These items may be tiny, but they sell quickly at craft fairs because they offer customers an easy way to buy something handmade without a high price tag. They're also wonderful for using tiny leftover scraps from bigger projects. Nothing needs to go to waste, and every small piece of wood can be transformed into something special. Spinning tops, in particular, draw attention because they're nostalgic yet stylish. Adults love them just as much as kids, and when crafted in high-quality hardwoods, they carry a delightful sense of elegance and charm.
One of the most intriguing categories in wood turning is jewelry.
Turned wooden earrings, pendants, and bracelets are unexpected, lightweight, and visually striking. Their shapes can be sculpted with curves and symmetry that capture attention instantly. When combined with metal findings or minimalist designs, turned wood jewelry becomes a standout accessory that appeals to buyers interested in natural materials and handmade craftsmanship. You can experiment with exotic woods, color contrasts, or layered laminations to create pieces that feel fresh and artistic. The profit margins on jewelry are surprisingly high because the material costs are extremely low, yet the finished pieces look luxurious and boutique-worthy. For those who love offering decor with an artistic twist, wood-turned art pieces can elevate your craft to a premium price range. Sculptural forms, hollow vessels, segmented bowls, or multi-wood laminated pieces can command substantial prices when displayed online or in galleries. These pieces don't just serve functional purposes, they act as conversation starters, collectible items, and interior showpieces. Even if you only produce a few artistic items each year, they can significantly boost your brand image and help draw attention to your overall shop. Art pieces are also perfect for showcasing your skills on social media, drawing viewers in with satisfying transformation videos of turning raw wood into smooth, flowing shapes. Another profitable niche is turning items for hobbyists and collectors. For example, people who love board games are always looking for unique accessories. Turned wooden dice, game tokens, dice cups, or custom figurines become highly desirable among players who appreciate craftsmanship. Similarly, wood-turned items for musicians, such as tuning knobs or instrument accessories, can appeal to a specialized market. Pet owners also make dedicated buyers. Turned urns, feeding scoops, or custom keepsakes for their animals can become meaningful, emotionally valued products. When you combine wood turning with niche interests, you create items that feel personal and thoughtfully crafted, making your business stand out from the crowd. Now let's talk business, because while creating beautiful items is deeply fulfilling, selling them successfully is what turns your craft into real income. Turned wood items are incredibly photogenic, which means they perform beautifully on online selling platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram shops, and personal websites. Turning wood into profit is not just about shaping objects, it's about shaping your future. Each bowl, each candle holder, each tiny turned accessory becomes part of a growing journey, one where creativity supports your income, and where your skills open doors to new opportunities. If this narration inspired you and helped spark new ideas for your own turning projects, we hope you'll continue exploring this craft with excitement and confidence. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.